12 by 21 and a half. And if you wanted to sort of bring that up so you can see the full mat, you would naturally, you need to elevate it a bit. But you get a pretty large size coverage. And then again, same thing, you can actually move and show the details. And here, we've just got different cards that we're showcasing. We've got playing cards, trading cards, and other card-based games that you may have. And so in this situation, I am going to try and zoom in so you can see some of the details, and just so that you can capture what is visible. And so part of that question that someone asked was around lighting. So this is a great example where we've got sort of flat cards, and then more cards with sort of reflections or holographics. And so we've found that having lighting on the product, sure, yes, you can turn it on and off in many of these situations, but we wanted to make sure that it was super simple. And so you can adjust the lighting as you can get an external source of light and be able to show that detail. And so I'll leave this, and then we can zoom in even further. And so you can see what that looks like. And so in this situation, you're seeing that the autofocus is taking a little time. And so this would be a perfect example where you can leverage that manual focus. Oh, as I decided to show it, it decided to autofocus cleanly. And so sometimes all it takes is a little bit of detail. But you can see fairly, this is pretty tiny text. I want to say it's less than a millimeter or so, and it's pretty clearly visible.